Hi, my name is Ashish Patwardhan. I'm a product manager here at Cohesity. I work on the data protection product line on Cohesity.
And I'm John Hildebrand. I'm a principal technologist here at Cohesity. And based by the diagram that we have here in front of us, today's topic, we're going to talk about vCloud Director and specifically what we're doing in the Cohesity Data Protect platform specifically for VMware vCloud Director. Now, I do have a question for you. One of the things that we get approached on this system quite a bit is that we do a pretty good job of virtual machine-based backup, especially in a normal VMware environment. Why specifically are we targeting other constructs within vCloud Director?
That's a great question. And vCloud Director is a very popular platform to provide virtualization services, especially with service providers and with very large enterprises as well, because they would like to have the logical segregation of their virtual platform between lines of businesses, between different departments, and so on. So the whole idea is about physical consolidation, as you can see in this diagram. This is a typical diagram of a VCD layout where you have physical servers, vCenter servers and ESX servers clubbed together, and then they are logically separated into virtual data centers and virtual organizations. Now, these virtual organizations are then ultimately used by either tenants of the service provider or by lines of business in a large enterprise. Now, this is all good, but where it falls short is that a data protection solution that takes care only about virtual machines does not have the understanding of where those virtual machines are fitting in the larger scheme of things, or the amount of extra metadata and information that needs to be captured with the virtual machines when they are backed up. That data protection solution cannot stand good to a VCD environment. So the Cohesity solution, which integrates with vCloud Director, basically provides the capability to back up everything that is needed, from these extra constructs and objects that come via vCloud Director. We are able to back up all the information that we need so that ultimately we can carry out the most important function, which is basically restore things in a proper way when there is a requirement for restore. So that's the unique, that's basically what this solution is all about when we say we are integrating with vCloud Director.
So another question that I have is inherently vCloud Director is a multi-tenant system. Now, as you mentioned, whether that's for a service provider or for a larger enterprise, how exactly are we also integrating vCloud Director with our more recent announcements by adding multi-tenancy features into data platform?
That's a great question. And the way we look at this is we look at this solution in totality. It's not just about being able to back up or capture extra bunch of information along with the virtual machines. It's also about ability to provide a fully functional multi-tenant and self-serviceable platform to whether it's a large enterprise or it's a service provider in question. The native multi-tenancy built into Cohesity's own platform allows the administrators on Cohesity to create organizations very similar to the way they would create organizations in a vCloud Director environment, and have that kind of a mapping between the two solutions. And that way, so just like there is self-service capability for vCloud Director or virtualization services on the vCloud Director, the self-service capability will be available on the Cohesity platform as well. So a tenant can actually do his, virtualization production level tasks in vCloud Director, and he can also come to the Cohesity platform in his own tenant view and do data protection, data protection activities on the objects that he has been assigned to. So that way the two solutions kind of merge and combine together to provide end-to-end solution, which is multi-tenant and which is self-service capable, and is also able to take care of the basic requirement of data protection.
I want to thank everybody for tuning in to our presentation here related to vCloud Director and the integration with the Cohesity Data Protect platform. I want to encourage everyone to head on out to the Cohesity website so that you can get more information, not just about vCloud Director, but also some of the new features and functionalities as we continue to enhance the platform.